The battlefield is changing. Gone are the days of massive armies clashing head-on. Technology is king, and drones are its silent knights. These unmanned aircraft are reshaping warfare. They are becoming more advanced and expensive. Nations are pouring billions into developing these aerial predators. Why? Because drones offer a unique advantage: fighting power without risking lives. The evolution of drones has been astounding. From basic reconnaissance tools, they have transformed into sophisticated weapons platforms. They can strike with pinpoint accuracy far beyond enemy lines. They can loiter for hours, providing constant surveillance, and they do it all while keeping soldiers out of harm's way. This new era of warfare is driven by cutting-edge technology. Stealth capabilities render drones nearly invisible to radar. Advanced sensors provide crystal-clear images from miles away, and autonomous flight systems allow them to execute complex missions with minimal human intervention. All of this comes at a cost that is steadily rising as drones become more sophisticated and deadly. The global race for drone supremacy is heating up. Nations are investing heavily in research and development, pushing the boundaries of what these unmanned aircraft can do. The stakes are high, as the nation with the most advanced drones will hold a significant military advantage in the 21st century. The demand for more advanced drones has led to eye-watering price tags. Here are the top 10 most expensive military drones, showcasing the incredible cost of modern warfare. 1. Northrop Grumman RQ-4 Global Hawk, $222.7 million, a high-altitude, long-endurance surveillance aircraft used for intelligence gathering. 2. Boeing MQ-25 Stingray, $185 million, a carrier-based multi-mission drone designed for reconnaissance, surveillance, and electronic warfare. 3. General Atomics MQ-9 Reaper, $142.2 million, a hunter-killer drone known for its precision strike capabilities. 4. Northrop Grumman X-47B Pegasus, $119.3 million, a demonstration aircraft that paved the way for carrier-based unmanned combat aerial vehicles. 5. Boeing P-8A Poseidon, $112.5 million, a maritime patrol and reconnaissance aircraft with anti-submarine warfare capabilities. 6. General Atomics Avenger, $89.4 million, a jet-powered combat drone designed for long-range strikes. 7. BAE Systems Taranis, $405 million, a British-developed stealth drone with intercontinental range and autonomous capabilities. 8. IAI Heron TP, $71 million, an Israeli-made medium-altitude, long-endurance drone used for surveillance and intelligence gathering. 9. Lockheed Martin OC-170 Sentinel, $64 million, a stealthy reconnaissance drone used for covert operations. 10. ED's Talarian, $62 million, a European-developed medium-altitude, long-endurance drone designed for surveillance and reconnaissance. Among these aerial behemoths, the BAE Taranis stands out. This British marvel of engineering isn't just expensive, it's a statement. At a staggering $405 million, it represents a leap forward in drone technology. The Taranis isn't just another drone, it's an unmanned combat air vehicle, or UCAV, designed for the future of warfare. What makes the Taranis so special? It starts with stealth. Its sleek, bat-like design, crafted from composite materials, allows it to evade radar detection. This makes it a ghost in the sky, capable of penetrating enemy airspace undetected. But stealth is just the beginning. The Taranis boasts intercontinental range, allowing it to strike targets across vast distances. Imagine this: a drone launched from a British airfield striking a target thousands of miles away with pinpoint accuracy, all while remaining invisible to enemy radar. That's the power of the Taranis. Its ability to operate autonomously adds another layer of lethality. While controlled by humans, the Taranis can make its own decisions in flight, reacting to threats and adjusting its mission parameters as needed. This makes it a highly adaptable and survivable platform capable of operating in contested airspace. The Taranis program is a testament to British engineering prowess. A consortium of leading companies, led by BAE Systems, pooled their expertise to create this technological marvel. Companies like Rolls-Royce, GE Aviation Systems, and QinetiQ all played crucial roles in developing the Taranis advanced systems. The project wasn't just about building a drone, it was about pushing the boundaries of what was possible. The Taranis has undergone rigorous flight testing, proving its capabilities in a series of increasingly complex trials. These tests have demonstrated its stealth capabilities, its impressive range, and its ability to operate autonomously. While the Taranis is not yet operational, it is expected to pave the way for a new generation of unmanned combat aircraft. These future drones will likely be even more sophisticated, capable of carrying out a wider range of missions with even greater autonomy. The development and eventual deployment of drones like the Taranis raise important questions about the future of warfare. As these unmanned systems become more prevalent, the line between human-controlled and autonomous warfare will become increasingly blurred. The ethical and legal implications of autonomous weapon systems are still being debated, but one thing is clear. Drones like the Taranis are here to stay, and they will continue to reshape the battlefield for years to come.